Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we start to convert our website into PW, so we should consider a few things. Your website should be static. Now, why am I using static website? Because we want to deploy this website into GitHub pages, and GitHub pages has something like your index.html. Like we know there are hierarchies and hierarchies in the our website. Like index.html is there, cast.html, there's umber.html is there, and if we are using dynamic website, like if I have used the Django, then all this folder will be in template folder, and GitHub pages do not recognize this template folder. They only searches for this index.html. So for that reason I am using the static website. And make sure you are also using this static website. If you do not have any static website, you can download it from any website. Like there are so many. I can show the static HTML site, or you can make one. So there are so many website you will get, so don't worry about that. uh, and the second thing is this, that static website should be responsive. Why it should be responsive? Because we want to install this website into our mobile. So they have different screen sizes, so it should be responsive. So use bootstrap or react UI or material UI to make your website responsive. And I think that's it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.